Hello guys, and in today's video we'll be trolling with a shotgun. And this is my favorite weapon to troll with because whenever you shoot them it just sends them flying and they die. Let's see. There's a couple people.
Let's farm. Come on, let's farm. Let's farm together as a group.
Guys, come to Punch Monkey. Guys, I'm about to kill him.
Hey bro, come on. Come on.
Come to Punch Monkey.
Atticus, right?
Come on.
Chicken.
We're going to chicken.
We're going to chicken. We're going to chicken. Oh, is that you? Is that you?
Yeah.
Atticus, go to call. Atticus, go to call. Alright.
Got him. Yeah, give me those shotguns, boy. Oh, dude. They were mad. Okay, so that was my shotgun. Not much, but I'll take it. We're gonna be selling everything we get. Does this have ammo? No, okay. What's this? Okay, first troll done. 91,000, whatever. Let's go.
Yo, guys!
Guys,
boy!
I got braces too.
No!
The flying thing.
Dang it.
So are you leaving the call or not?
Squid game! Squid game! Wait,
Can't kill me, haha.
It's funny how y'all are trying to kill me.
I died. I think I lost a shotgun. It's fine. Pretty sure I have one in my bag anyway. Yo, oh my gosh! This is not my bag! Jeez!
no! He's a new killer! He's the new killer! Kill him!
Kill who?
Die! Shut up!
Oh, dang.
Shut up!
Yo, who took that shotgun?
Dang!
Shut the fuck up! I'm leaving.
Shoot you next time you say
Hey,
that.
Polar Bear,
You want this? You want a big
Die!
Goodbye. Yo, where are you guys? I came here to make money.
Why you in here, bro?
Because some random kid told me to join this code and make a bunch of money.
Oh, leave, bro. We already in the...
Okay, how are you guys making money? So I know.
Well, I'm in Haunted Mansion right now. That's why we're making...
Because they're gonna spawn in right there. Are you guys at Haunted Mansion?
Come on, let's go. Come down.
Oh! Who's the guy that's in this? Where are you, bro?
I'm at sewers.
No. Come.
Ready?
Yeah, give me that boy. Oh my gosh, 17.
Guys.
Everyone, go. Wait, don't fight yet. Go to Frozen Lake first. Don't fight yet.
Hey, bro, someone give me a sword. Someone give me a sword.
What if I just been modding with you?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Ain't no way y'all trying to jump, bro. Ain't
I
no
need
way
that, bro.
he jumping, bro. I pressed the wrong button. My fault. My fault. I pressed the wrong button.
Bro, I pressed the wrong. Yeah, I got a hook shot.
Get him. Get the best one.
I pressed the wrong button.
I pressed the wrong button. My fault.
Real quick.
Get him.
No, he just killed himself.
What do you mean?
I hit him. Man, get that out of here.
I needed to kill myself, bro.
Evacuate.
Kaboom!
My fault. Wrong.
Bro died. Elbozo. Elbozo.
His ding flew off with him, bro. His ding flew off.
What?
Come on, man.
No shot. Frick.
Fuck up his mind.
Hey, yo,
I need my
I
crossbow
tried to
back,
kill
bro.
the red
I need
watch
my
for
crossbow
you.
back, bro. I need my crossbow back.
Look what he got.
Wait,
Yeah, I need a sword and a grapple
wait,
hook,
how'd you
but
die? How'd you die?
I'll go
two
get it for you.
shotguns
By where? Who?
Red watch.
at the lake.
I
But I think my
fixed that dude.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna go kill him.
I'm gonna go kill him.
You gotta get real. Nah, bro.
Yo, if he dies, can I take your
I'm
revolver?
I'm good. If you have revolver ammo,
You killed him real quick.
I need that
No,
crossbow.
no, don't kill.
I need the
Bro
crossbow.
shot him down.
You don't even
Bro
have
shot
that
him
ammo.
down real quick.
Okay, well. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll film another shotgun video. I'll try and make it better. Or kill people more.